Derek Zulander?
Yes.
Valentina Valencia, Interpol, Global Fashion Division.
Fashion police, we're clean, lady. Go harass somebody else.
Besides, I'm out of fashion.
I need to talk to you. It has to do with the death of Justin Bieber.
His death is not my problem.
I can use the database at Interpol to help you find your son. If you help me.
I think we gotta play ball with her. She's got some kind of database or something that she says will help us find little Derek. And she's hot. I trust her.
If Tom texts you, which he won't because it's still daylight, wait 4 hours to respond.
I was not even thinking
Anything
about Tom.
sooner implies that you're needy and really codependent and incapable of a simple hookup, which is all he's good for.
I think that I could actually be like a
And when you respond, do not respond in full sentences. And if you use an emoji, I will tip punch you.
Fine.
Fine.
No! No! Oh, no!
You can have this back at the end of the day. An emoji?
Oh!
This is the Hall of Heroes, home of the most priceless kung fu artifacts in all of China.
Whoa! This place is
Awesome? You were gonna say awesome, right? Because it totally is!
totally.
But be super careful, everything's very fragile here, like the Urn of Whispering Warriors. Someone broke that once.
Who?
Some idiot. Check it out. It's the legendary battle rickshaw of Emperor Hawk.
Sweet ride.
Ah! Dad, what are you doing? We're not supposed to touch anything.
Oh, sorry. Should I put it back?
Yeah, you probably should. You look so cool, though.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, I wonder what this does. I should pull it.
I think I just peed a little.
X gon' give it to you. What? Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you.
Go get some.
You gotta do a superhero landing. Wait for it. Woo! Superhero landing.
Yeah, that's really hard on your knees.
Totally impractical. They all do it.
You're a lovely lady, but I'm saving myself for Francis. That's why I brought him.
I prefer not to hit a woman, so please play.
I mean, that's why I brought her? Oh no, finish your tweet. It's not, that's fine. Just give us a second. There you go, hashtag it. Go get her, Tiger.
Oh, I so pity the dude who pressures her into prom sex.